Hello, friends. Adam Bowling, pastor of First United Presbyterian Church of Dale City here. I had a pretty big birthday. My birthday is 5 days after Jesus's. I usually don't make a big deal about it, but it was a big one. I turned 40, and some members of the church got together and wrote a book. And so we've read this and reread it in my family, and my kids have really enjoyed it. But I thought I would make a video and share it with you. I haven't had a chance till now. But this is called the ABCs of ACB, which are my initials, Adam Christopher Bowling. There's a picture of me on the cover. I thought you guys would get a kick out of it as well. So there's the 40 in case you didn't know how old I was now. And here's the book. A is for Adam, who is turning twice 20. 40, a long time in the Bible, it means plenty. I think I was a pretty cute baby, huh? Bald, but looked cute. B is for big shoes, which he needed to fill. God called him to be a pastor, and he followed God's will. Thank you, Mom, for sending them this picture of me, my dad's shoes when I was a toddler. C is for children's sermons, which we all surely enjoy. Put on your Presbyterian seatbelts. Maybe magic he'll employ. D is for the dad jokes, of which he is a master, causing us to groan and moan, and even a face plaster. E is for Erin, his wonderful, beautiful wife, talented woman of God, his partner in this life. F is for the family. He loves them all oh so dear. Aaron, Parker, Ellie, Lily Page, and Kirby. Love abounds, it's clear. G is for genuine. Pastor Adam is the real deal. Not afraid to tell the truth or rock the boat about while keeping an even keel. H is for happy. Happy birthday, a special one indeed. Written for your special day. When in doubt, reread. Which is what I'm doing right now. I is for inclusive, which he always tries to be, reaching out to young and old, and all folks in between. J is for Jesus, of course, to whom he always points, preaching, teaching, seeking the blessings he anoints. K is for kindness and mercy, no judgment here, just helpful ideas and lifting you in prayer. L is for lucky, we're as lucky as can be to have a pastor who loves the Lord and sometimes hugs a tree. M is for Matthew, 25 to be exact. Our church is still becoming more like Jesus. That's a fact. He calls himself a science nerd, but that's not really true. He walks in faith, but checks the facts. What else would a rational man do? O is for oh football team, under any other name. He follows close this unnamed team and glad for the change just the same. And then there are peanut butter cups, which I hear tell he does crave, but make anything with peanut butter and chocolate, and you can hear him rave. Especially Tori's peanut butter and chocolate pie, just a side note. Q is for the question I won't keep you in suspense. And summing up and winding down, he says, now does that make sense? R is for Mr. Rogers, whom he really does admire. His gentle ways, his loving heart, but not so much his attire. S is for sheep. Goats say, "Mar, mar, mar." I just want to be a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. T is for the trumpet that he loves to play, while whitewater rafting, at least some people say. That's sort of an inside joke. You'll have to ask Kathy Albrecht about that one. U is for unusual. The times they are a-changing. Time and space quite different now. Our lives are rearranging. X is for, of course, exegesis. A simple name explaining that all books point to Jesus. Y is for the youth of our congregation, which he loves so dearly. Thank you, Pastor Adam. You were meant to be here clearly. V is for the virtual services online. Signed up to be a preacher, but not the televangelist. I can't even read. Not the televangelical kind. W is for welcome. Let's give it a big cheer. We love it when he repeats himself. All are welcome here, which is true. Z is for Zoom, at which he is the best. But as we come to 2021, we hope to give Zoom a rest. Amen, brothers and sisters, amen. So this was written by Kathy Albrecht in collaboration with Elizabeth Glyer, and I want to thank them and Debbie Cornelius, Carol Hughes, Kathy McNeely, Linda Wolstenholme, Linda Boost, and Sarah Porter. This was an amazing gift, and I really appreciate it. And by the way, Kathy Albrecht put a little note here that she likes my dad jokes. I love my dad jokes. In fact, this book is right next to a new dad joke book that I just got for Christmas, and so you're going to get more of those. But I just wanted to say thank you for this wonderful gift, and I appreciate it, and I hope all of you enjoyed it as much as I did. So this is my video thank you again to that amazing team and all the people who contributed to this. Even my mom, who sent the embarrassing, not so embarrassing pictures of me as a child. So God bless, and I hope you have a blessed 2021.